The New Seven Wonders of the World, 2007. Great Wall of China, China. The Great Wall is a series of fortifications that were built to protect the northern borders of China from invasions. Spanning over 13,000 miles, it is an extraordinary feat of ancient engineering and a symbol of China's strength and ingenuity. Petra, Jordan. Petra is an ancient city carved into red sandstone cliffs in southern Jordan. Known for its unique rock-cut architecture and water conduit system. Petra was once the thriving capital of the Nabataean Kingdom. Christ, the Redeemer, Brazil. This colossal statue of Jesus Christ stands atop the Corcovado mountain in Rio de Janeiro. At 98 feet tall, with outstretched arms, it is an iconic symbol of Christianity and Brazilian culture, overlooking the city. Machu Picchu, Peru. Machu Picchu is an ancient Incan city located high in the Andes Mountains, built in the 15th century. It is renowned for its sophisticated dry stone construction, terracing, and stunning panoramic views. Chichén, Itzá, Mexico. Chichén Itzá was a major city of the Maya civilization. The most famous structure is the Pyramid of Kukulcay, a massive step pyramid that aligns with astronomical events such as the spring equinox. Roman Colosseum, Italy. The Colosseum is an ancient amphitheater located in the heart of Rome. It was used for gladiatorial contests and public spectacles, and is one of the greatest works of Roman engineering and architecture. Taj Mahal, India. The Taj Mahal is a white marble mausoleum located in Agra, India, built by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife, Mumtaz Mahal. It is an outstanding example of Mughal architecture symbolizing love and beauty.